Hello, 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 guys. You see where I'm at? I am in front of CVS, and I'm about to go in and do an incredible deal for you guys. So get ready, get your coupons out, get your Ibotta app downloaded, get your Fetch app downloaded, and let's get ready to save. Okay, so the first deal we're going to do is on a bunch of cereal and breakfast items. All of these items are on sale for $1.99. CVS has tons of different cereals and Pop-Tarts on sale for $1.99. It doesn't give back any extra bucks, but the reason I'm doing this deal is because I have a good CRT and I have some good coupons. So I got 4 boxes of Captain Crunch and 2 boxes of Life cereal. So I chose to get the Quaker Oats brand cereal because there's a coupon where you buy 2 boxes, you get $1 off. This does expire today, but you can do this deal the rest of the week if your CVS takes expired coupons. So I'm going to use 3 of these coupons because it's 3 off of 2, and I got 6 boxes of cereal. But then I got the Pop-Tarts. Oh, wait, let's go back to the cereal. So Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate for the Captain Crunch, and you can get up to 5 boxes. My store only has 4, so I got the 4. And then they have a 50-cent off rebate for the Life, and they had 2 boxes of Life, so I got those. And then they didn't have any more Life or any more Captain Crunch because I would have gotten more because I'm trying to get my breakfast items up to $15 because I have a $4 off 15 breakfast CRT. So that's why I threw in the Pop-Tarts. So the Pop-Tarts are also $1.99, and I went to Kellogg's Rewards and printed off this coupon for $1 off too. So let's head up to the register. Let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, so this transaction worked out great. There you see my Pop-Tarts. The first 2 are Pop-Tarts. Then you see the Captain Crunch, 4 of them. Then the 2 Life cereals. You see everything rang up at $1.99. All 4 of the $1 coupons came off. And then there's the $4 off 15 any breakfast CRT, which left me paying $7.92. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back a total of $3.50 for each box of cereal. I got 50 cents back for each Captain Crunch. So I have 4 of those. That's $2. And 50 cents for each box of Life. That's $1. So that's a total of $3. Minus that from the $7.92, I paid $4.92 for 6 boxes of cereal and 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. So our next deal is going to be on the All. CVS has a bunch of Snuggle and All products on sale for $3.99. I chose to get the All Power Packs because I had these coupons. It's $2 off 1 Mighty Pack. It doesn't say what size, so that's why I'm using this one as opposed to this coupon. So that'd be $2 of each one, so that brings each one of these down to $1.99. And then I have a $2 off 2 All laundry detergent CRT, so that would make each one of these 99 cents. Alrighty, so the All transaction worked out fabulous. So there's the All Mighty Packs that were on sale for $3.99. Then I used 2 $2 manufacturer coupons. I used the $2 off 2 All brand CRT. That brought my total down to $1.98, which meant they were 99 cents a piece. Great deal. Now let's go to our next. Okay, we're going to do the Paparazzi nail polish deal. It is buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. They're cheating us, guys, because it used to be buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. But that's okay. We're still going to make out good. So I grabbed 3. So they're on sale 2 for $5. But if you get an odd one, then it's $2.99. So this is going to cost me $7.99, or just say $8. But I chose to get 3 because I have a $3 off $7 paparazzi CRT. So I will get $3 off of this plus my $4 in extra bucks back. So that'll be like 50 cents a nail polish. So we'll head up to the register and see how it comes out. Okay, here's our receipt for the paparazzi. You see, actually they all rang up at $2.50. I thought one would ring up at $2.99. So it came to $7.50. There is my $3 off 7 paparazzi nails polish CRT, and I used a $5 extra bucks. So I lost 50 cents, but I'm not worried about that. So you see I didn't pay anything at the register, and I got back that $4 extra buck. So this was 50 cents out of pocket. Pretty good deal for 3 nail polishes. Or if you want to count it as $1, because I lost the 50 cents, you could do that too. Then it's still a good deal for 3 nail polishes. Alrighty guys, we're back with a Degree deodorant deal. Now guys, I'm going to do this deal on 2 different cards. So these are $7.99, or no, I think they're $8.29, and they're buy one get one half off. But when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. So I'm going to use this coupon, $5 off 2. Yes, it expired yesterday, but we're good because my store takes expired coupons. And if your store does, you can use them within 14 days of the expiration date. So I'm going to use one of these. And then I have a $2 off 8 deodorant CRT. And I have, I'm going to get $2 back in extra bucks. And I'm going to submit my receipt to Fetch because... So this is an offer that Fetch has. You get 2,000 points for each one, and you can get up to 5. So I'm going to get a total of 4,000 points back from Fetch. So that is what I'm going to do on one card. Then the second card, I'm going to do the same deal, except, and I'm just going to get 2, but I just put these up there so you can see. So on the second card, again, I'm going to get 2 Degree deodorants. I'm going to use this coupon again, but then I have a $2 off $7 or $8 Dove or Degree deodorant CRT. And I'm still going to submit my receipt to Fetch and get $4 back from Fetch, 2,000 points for each one, and a $2 extra buck. So I'm doing these on 2 different cards, 2 on one card, 2 on the other card. So let's head up to the register and see how we make. All right, so here we go with the Degree. So remember, I did these on 2 separate accounts, so I'm going to show you 2 separate receipts. But I used the same Fetch account. So here you go. The Degree was $8.29 for the first one. The second one was half price at $4.15. There's my $5 off 2 coupon I used, and then $2 off 8 deodorant CRT. So that was $5.43 out of pocket. I got back the $2 in extra bucks, and then I submitted my receipt to Fetch. Here you see I got back a total of $4.05 for Fetch because I submitted 2. Okay, here is the other receipt. The same things. You see I just got different cents. $8.29, $4.15 for the half off. $5 for the coupon. It was $2 off. $5 off 2, and then this one I had a $2 off 8 Dove or Degree deodorant CRT. Paid $5.43. Got back to $2 in extra bucks, and the $4.05 for the for Fetch. So with getting the $4.05 from Fetch, that makes this a 62-cent moneymaker. So on each one, that was a 62-cent moneymaker. So that's pretty good because that will help pay for my $4 that I spent on the cereal. Okay, guys, so our next deal is going to be on this Moderna Quick Dry Oil, and it is on sale for $14.99. I'm going to use this $7 off coupon. You guys see that? That's okay because they don't expire. So this will be okay. But then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck. And then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. Here you see Ibotta is giving back $5. So between the coupons, Ibotta, and our ECBs, this will be a $2.01 moneymaker. Okay, here's the receipt for the Moderna. You see it was $14.79. I probably should have waited to get this tomorrow because I have a 30% off that's coming on my card. It would have made this a bigger moneymaker, but I'll do it on my other card, no problem. But if you guys have a percentage off coupon, this would be a good one to use it for because you would get, this would be a bigger money maker for you. So it was $14.79. I had a $7 off manufacturer coupon that I used, and then I used $8 in CVS cash and extra bucks to pay to make my out-of-pocket lower. So I lost 21 cents, which I'm okay with that. But then I got back a $5 extra buck. And here you see I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back a $5 credit from Ibotta. So that was $10 that I got back. And like I said, I spent $7.79. So this is a $2.21 moneymaker. So make sure you grab your Moderna and make sure you use the $7 coupon and not the $5 coupon. Alrighty, so the last thing we're going to grab is going to be this Pepto-Bismol. It is $4.99. I have a $3 off digestive CRT, and then I have a $2 off Pepto-Bismol CRT. So this should be absolutely free for us. Okay, here is the receipt. You see it was $4.99. There's my $3 off heartburn CRT. And the $2 Pepto-Bismol CRT reduced down to $1.99 because they don't give overage at CVS. And you see it's absolutely free. Okay, so this is everything that we are getting today. A total of 6 boxes of cereal, 4 Captain Crunch, 2 Life. You can't hardly see them because they're in back of each other. 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts, 2 bags of all pods, 4 Degree deodorants, a Moderna, 3 Paparazzi nail polishes, and a Pepto-Bismol. When you do all the math, then it comes to $3.95 for everything pictured here. So I say that's a pretty good deal, guys. So go through your CRTs, match them up with your coupons, match them up with your rebates and Fetch, as well as Ibotta, and then put your deals together. Come back and let me know what you ended up getting. And let me know if there's anything that I missed out on. Be on the lookout for another video with a spend 30, get 15, get 10 back. Until the next time, keep on saving.